Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome to Unboxmas. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. Guys, so unboxing number 1, day 2 of Unboxmas. I'm so excited to do this. So if you're just visiting for the first time and this is the first time you're catching up here, hello, how are you? I'm Auntie Ren. We are doing Unboxmas for Vlogmas. Yeah, you know, it's confusing, what can I tell you? But I don't lead an exciting enough life to do anything for Vlogmas. I have no plans. So this is what we're doing, is unboxings, because I have loads and loads of those to share. So if you are returning, hello darlings, how are you? Make sure to sound off in the comments, say hello, leave a comment, what have you, just so I know you were here and I can comment back. And if you're a fellow YouTuber, I can come and visit your channel. All right, let's get to it. So I don't want these to be super long because I'm doing one every day. I just thought about that for a second. Because I'm doing these every day, I don't want them to be too long, the videos, because, and you know, I don't do short videos. My videos be like, but I don't want them to be too long because I'm like, oh my God, okay, I have to do this again tomorrow and again after that. So we're gonna get right to it. So this unboxing, I don't know if I'm going to put it in the title or not, or if I'm just gonna put like Unboxmas day 2. I don't know if I'm going to do that, but I got the box here. I got my handy dandy scissors in case. This particular box does have one of these little pull tabby things. If you have never seen one of my unboxings, I'll put a couple in the iCards for you for sure, or in the description box, I promise you. You can check there. But I love these little, I love them. I don't know what they're called, pull tabs, whatever. I love them. So I'm gonna give it a go. I have not seen this item, so this is brand spanking new from the shop. Okay, well that was a fail. That wasn't successful. Oh yeah, okay, no, that's not working. All right. Okay, now, so that's all right. That's why we have scissors. What do we see? What do we see? Oh, this is cute. All right, so it's obviously from Gucci. So we have a dust bag. Very nice. They've been doing these, I don't know if this is with a dust bag. It's like a little tote, like a canvas tote. And it's the Gucci 100. And this has been basically like for the last couple of months, they've been putting these little totes into all of their items, at least the ones that are being shipped. So that's nice, thank you for that. Here is a card. I don't know, I'll open it and see, but I don't think I didn't write anything to myself. It's just the thank you for shopping, Gucci, we appreciate you, blah 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 blah, give us all your money. Yes. All right, let's get her out. Oh, it's cute. All right, nothing fancy going on in there, just some stuffing. Ah, can you see the ribbon? Look at the ribbon. Do you see it? Wait, give it to you here. All right, I'm gonna open it and I'll give you a little bit of backstory because I know people like get to it. I want to see, what did you get? But yeah, okay, let's open it. But I wanted to give you the story on why I chose this one, but it's all good. All right, ta-da! Give it a little. And come on, you know what it is by now. You have to know. I know Sydney White, if you're watching, Sydney's like, I know exactly what this is. Ta-da! Can you see it? Yes! So this is from the Hacker Project, the Balenciaga and Gucci, I think it's a shawl. It's supposed to be a shawl or scarf. I don't know. I've never seen anyone like actually open it all the way. So I'm gonna give it a big old open here so we can see what we're working with. It's pretty big. Yeah, it's plenty big. Wow, yeah, this is definitely pretty huge. I'll put the measurements and so on in the description box so you lot can see like what we're working with, but it's pretty massive. And I'm 5'7.5", and I don't know if I stand up if I'll be able to do nothing. It's not as tall as me, but it's massive. It's relatively sheer as well, but it's made to be kind of like worn, you know, kind of doubled, right? So it's not going to be so it won't look as sheer, but this is not in any way a heavy material. Okay, so I hope you can see through it, and I'm not just like showing you just showing you nothing, just shooting the material in your face. But I got this versus some of the other pieces because for a couple of things. One, I didn't want the trainers because I already have massive feet, and the Balenciaga Gucci trainers are already massive and heavy and humongous. So let's keep it real. I don't need any help in that department. I could not decide on a bag, and by the time I finally decided on a bag, it was sold out. So but I knew I wanted something from the collection. Kind of wanted the jacket that Cassie Thorpe got, and I will link her video where she unboxes that. Ooh, was it Chef's Kiss? Oh my gosh, amazing, beautiful jacket. But again, by the time I decided that I wanted it, it was gone. So, you know, this is like bare bones now. I'm like, I want something from this collection. I want something. I was watching, oh gosh, I was watching Dale's Addiction. Dale got a hat. Dale got pieces. I'm like obsessed. Like everyone's getting something. I want something from the collection. And this was all that was left. So I got this shawl, which I'm not mad about though. I have tons of shawls, tons of scarves. I do wear them. I wear them as part of a wardrobe, as well as wearing them as, you know, outerwear or what have you. So I'm not mad about it. But by the time like I finally decided what I wanted, they were all gone. So this is it. So if anybody knows where they're reselling any of the pieces, let me know, because I might get something. But yeah, but I love the bag. I mentioned Sydney White, and I'll link her channel in the iCards or down in the description box. She got one of the bags that I wanted, which was the hourglass bag. It looks so good, Sid. Oh, you killed it with that one. You nailed it. But I love the bag. Really nice. But you know what? Sometimes, I don't know. Sometimes I don't like buying Gucci bags full price. Because they have the outlet division. I mean, obviously the Balenciaga Gucci would never make it. That hacker project would never make it to the outlet, or it could. I don't know. I mean, if it's next season, maybe. But it sometimes irks me to buy Gucci fashion pieces or seasonal pieces at full price, because I know eventually I'll be able to get it in the outlet. I live in New York. There is an outlet not too far away from the city in New Jersey. So yeah, I just don't. Sometimes some pieces I'm like, it don't matter, I have to have it. But then there's some things that you're like, I can wait. I'll see if I can find it in the outlet next season and see. So I don't know, but I mean, I will be cruising the outlets next season looking for Balenciaga and Gucci mix pieces. But honestly, yeah, I waited too long to pull the trigger. What can you do? But it's all good. It's all good. I love this. I'm so excited. I can wear this, like, you know, one of the things that Sydney said is that, you know, you can wear this as a headscarf. You can wear this around your neck. You can wear this in the warmer months as a top and tie it around like a little bandeau top. You know, this can be a sarong. There are so many options. Like, I did not in any way miss out on buying this piece and say like, oh, you know, I got the last of it. I was just kind of kidding. Like this, I'm so happy that I was able to nab at least this piece as part of the collection. So I'm super excited. Does it have prices or anything on it? If it does, let me see. It does not, of course not. So, but I will link it all down in the description bar, and I will also, if it is still available online, which most likely it's not, but if it is, I will put that link down there as well. So if you're interested in still nabbing something, this is definitely a great piece, a very a very versatile piece that you can incorporate into your wardrobe right now, but also take into the warmer months if you live in a place where the climate switches up like me. All right, that's it. I'm done. Woo! Unboxing number 1, day 2. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Or you know what? You don't even have to hit the notification bell because I'll be back tomorrow. But if you want to know if anything else is going on here on the channel, hit that notification bell so you know what's going on. I look forward to seeing you guys again tomorrow. Make sure you sound off in the comments. Let's chat about what's going on in the world. Talk to you soon. Bye.